Hello,
Hello. What's your name?
my name is Mary.
Mary, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, Mary, we have a speaking test today, so are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, Mary, tell me about yourself. What color do you like?
I like blue.
And what food do you like?
I like chocolate.
Chocolate. And what's your favorite animal?
I like cat.
And what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Okay, Mary. Look at the picture A and B and find the difference.
In picture A, the clock is 9 o'clock. But in picture B, the clock is 11 o'clock. But in the picture A, the teacher is running. But in the picture B, the teacher is working. In the picture A, the teacher is folding two books. But in the picture B, the teacher is folding three books. But in the picture A, the girl is wearing the bag is circle. But in the picture B, the girl is wear, holding the bag is square. In picture A, the boy is sitting in a chair, but in the picture B, the boy is sitting in the glass. But in the picture A, the boy is watching an alien. But in the picture B, the boy watching the moon. In the picture A, the skateboard is purple. In the picture B, the skateboard is pink.
Okay, very good. Okay, Mary, look at the pictures. Can you tell me the name of that girl?
Her name is Grace.
What's her favorite toy?
Her favorite toy is doll.
Doll. And who gave that present to her?
Her parents
Parents. Is that doll old or new?
is old.
Old. Is that doll cheap or expensive?
It is expensive.
Expensive. Where she found the doll?
In her bed.
In her bed. Very good. Mary, look at the pictures and make a story.
First, Harry got up late. Then he missed the bus. Next, he ran to school, but the bell rang. Next, in the class, the teacher asked him, "Why do you go to school late?" Finally, when went home, his parents is angry because he go to school late.
Very good, Mary. You did a good job. 25. Okay,
Goodbye.
goodbye.